Thursday, November 3rd, you are listening to weather from the National Weather Service. A large amplified pattern will keep the western United States very unsettled the next few days, with below normal temperatures, locally heavy rain, and heavy mountain snow. Meanwhile, strong to severe thunderstorms and heavy rain are expected across the southern plains on Thursday and Friday. That's the summary for the western states. That comes from the Western headquarters. So we're going to start off with the forecast discussion for the Chicago area. This was just issued at 3:33 a.m. Central Daylight Time, November 3rd, this morning on a Thursday. It was written by Ratzer, R-A-T-Z-E-R, from the National Weather Service. This goes through Friday. Forecast focus is on an unseasonably warm and breezy to windy conditions today. Then continued very mild weather with increasing shower and embedded thunderstorm chances on Friday. Early morning surface analysis depicts a broad area of elongated high pressure from New England to the lower Mississippi Valley, while a trough of low pressure stretched from western Ontario through the central Rockies in between these features. So we have the dip in the jet stream going from western Ontario into the central Rockies, and that bulge in the jet stream is possibly going up into the New England area. But let's go further. In between these features was a gradually tightening surface pressure gradient providing south winds across the upper Midwest and western Great Lakes region. These south winds will become increasingly gusty across the forecast area today, Thursday, as a deep upper level trough continues to develop across the western parts of the United States and includes further surface pressure falls and a strengthening low-level jet. So whenever you have a strengthening storm to our west that produces southerly winds, even a non-strengthening storm, but even more so by a strengthening storm. By this afternoon, forecast sounding support gusts in the 30 to 35 mile per hour range across much of northwest to northern Illinois, within the stronger gradient. Further east-southeast, winds will be slightly weaker, but still breezy. Unseasonably warm temperatures will again be seen today, with highs in the low or mid-70s expected. This will be near record levels for Chicago today, though increasing afternoon high cloudiness may be a limiting factor. Record high minimum temperatures will also be within reach tonight as breezy winds and increasing cloud cover prevent readings from falling off too much. Temperatures, particularly within the city of Chicago, may not dip below 60 overnight, which is 5 degrees above our average highs for this time of year. A slow-moving cold front will very slowly approach the region from the west on Friday, but will stall before reaching the forecast area. Just to pause for a second, this sounds almost like a summer pattern in a certain sense. Showers and embedded thunderstorm chances will increase in advance of this boundary Friday morning, however, as a subtle mid-level shortwave ripples northeast across the region. Highest precipitation chances will be over far west to northwest parts of the forecast area during the morning through midday hours, decreasing somewhat during the afternoon hours as the wave lifts northeast of the area. Steep mid-level lapse rates of 7.5 degrees Celsius above the 600 MB and above 7.5. So it will support some thunder potential, and some of these showers and thunderstorms may be gusty given the 40-kilometer low-level jet winds at 2,000 feet above the ground. Farther to the southeast, rain chances will decrease fairly rapidly into east-central Illinois and northwest Indiana. Despite more cloud cover, Friday will also be unseasonably warm, with highs again expected to be in the low or mid-70s. Thicker clouds and precipitation across north to northwest Illinois will likely keep readings in the low 70s for Rockford and Chicago, with the warmest readings across our south to southeast area. Long-term Friday night through Wednesday,